Also, I need pros and cons in each category. If we click on check prices on Amazon, it will take us to the product with the respective affiliate links that we have in each product as well. Yo, what is up guys, this is Harry from Harry Tech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to create an Amazon affiliate website. If you are into affiliate marketing and you've been running campaigns, you know the hassle of actually creating decent looking landing pages that convert as well. In today's example, we have created this simple page and we're going to show you how to do the same as well for your specific product. And before we jump into our video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions regarding this video or any other previous video on the channel. And without further ado, let's just start with our tutorial. I do believe that you have a product in mind and you are trying to create a landing page or an affiliate website about it. If you don't have anything in mind, you can go to ppads.com and you can start browsing ads and see the top performing ads and the products they are promoting. The link will be in the description. It's free and you can start using it right now. So let's just hit start for free and it will take you to the dashboard. The dashboard here will show you the platform that you are on. So let's say for example that you are down the line gonna be using TikTok ads to actually drive traffic to your website. Then it will show you the top performing ads on TikTok itself, as in the platform, and you can see the impressions, the likes, all of that good stuff, and the product itself. So that's the good thing about PPS, that it's actually free and it does tell you which product are doing well. And also you can browse by categories, the terms, and more insights if you actually upgrade your account. But like I said, it's not really mandatory. You can use the free account. And you can also go to add products. In here, it will show you the top products based on the platform. So let's just say, for example, if there's people are selling in Shopify, it will show you the top selling products on Shopify itself. Same for WooCommerce, Wix, Squarespace, you get the idea. So basically you can hijack somebody's else ad campaign and take that winning product and base your whole website about it. We can use SEO tools like SEMrush to give us some insights about certain keywords. What are the monthly volume of such keywords? Are people interested in that product? And so on and so on. So you can use SEMrush for 7 days for free, and you will be getting the pro version as well for 7 days for free using the link in the description down below. So go ahead and use that for yourself. And the next thing that you need to do, go to keyword overview and in here put in your keywords. So let's just say, for example, I want to promote air fryers. So I'm gonna look up air fryers in here. As you can see, now SEMrush did return with a list of keywords. So scroll all the way down, go to keyword ideas and click view all 71 keywords or the number that you have in here. Then click on KD and filter with the easy or the easiest keywords that you can rank for. SEMrush will give you loads of keywords now that you can rank for. As you can see the KD of each keyword in here, and it will show you insights like the CPC and the intent of the keyword itself, the trends and the results as well. So we need to look for a moderate keyword that has a decent monthly traffic and also easy to rank for too. So let's just scroll all the way down. Let's just look for something that is there's not too many results for. So that's another factor that you need to actually be on the lookout for, which is the results here, guys. As you can see, this one here, it says best glass air fryer non-toxic. So this is a good keyword if you want to build an affiliate website or a landing page around it. It has a decent monthly traffic and there is only 100 pages on the entire web. So you can actually hijack this keyword and build an affiliate website about it. So as you can see, this keyword right here, it says the best microwave air fryer combo 2024. It has 390, almost like 400 monthly searches, and there is only 100 pages on the whole entirety of the web. So let's just take this one for example. Now that you have a keyword in mind, you can build your website about. Head to this prompt. I'm gonna leave it to you in the description down below, and just replace the keyword that you just got from SEMrush, either SEMrush or PPS, once you have done your research. And in this prompt, I will be giving it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give us the actual prompt that we will be giving it to the AI builder. So let's just take a quick look at the prompt. The prompt says, I want you to help me create a prompt that I can give to another AI that is responsible for creating Amazon affiliate website for me. I want this affiliate website to include top 10 best microwave air fryer combo. So this is the actual keyword. And you need to replace it with your keyword of choice. Once you do, like I said, the research, like I've showed you, you replace it with your keyword of choice with the pros and the cons and some comparison, even FAQs and EAT elements. And I want to include my Amazon associate ID in here. Also, you need to replace the ID with your Amazon store ID. This is a must too in order to actually get the links to function later on in your landing page. Each time someone uses the link, I get the track, the clicks, and the commissions. Moreover, make sure the website is SEO optimized and includes the right meta tags and keyword as well. So this is the prompt that we will give ChatGPT. Once you change the keyword in here and the ID in here, you can take it to ChatGPT and let ChatGPT give you the prompt. So let's just copy this, head back to ChatGPT, give it this prompt, and let's just click send, and just like that, ChatGPT is actually writing the prompt, but it's actually in bullet points, and we need to refine this, and we need it in actual paragraph format. So let's just type in here, I need it in a paragraph format, so write that for me. All right, so now we have the prompt in a paragraph format. Now we can start creating our website. And to create the website, we're going to be using Hostinger. Yeah, it's actually one of the best tools that you can use to create websites on the fly. Like literally you can create apps, landing pages, websites, complex communities, whatever. You can do it using this tool. The link will be in the description down below. And I do believe they will give you 5 credit for free if you have already an account with Hostinger. But if you don't have an account, then sign up for an account, top up your account with, I do assume you get 50 credits for $10. So top up your account and you can use this AI builder. Paste your prompt in here and click send. And now as you can see, the AI is doing the heavy lifting for you. It's building this affiliate web page from scratch, and you're going to see the results once this is done. As you can see, the AI is done, and if we click preview, it will take us to the website that we just created. If we take a look at the website, we have the top 10 best microwave air fryers combo. This is the keyword that we have targeted. And if we scroll all the way down, we have the top 10 microwave air fryer combos, all the products that the AI actually gave us. And we have also, I need pros and cons in each category. If we click on check prices on Amazon, it will take us to the product with the respective affiliate links that we have in each product as well. And let's just scroll all the way down too. As you can see, it's actually really good. We have a summary of each product in here too. So this is a really good landing page, affiliate website, whatever you want to call it. And if we scroll all the way down, we have some FAQs like we just told it in the prompt. And also we have an email list if we intend to collect some email lists. Also we have the about us page and the contact us page, which is necessary if you are trying to run ads on Google or Facebook. Otherwise your campaign will not be accepted. So overall it's a decent website. You can actually obviously tweak it by going to Hostinger and tell it or give it the prompt a couple more times, specify what you need, and that way you can customize your website. So now if you are satisfied with your landing page, website, and you're trying to publish this, the first thing that you need to do is just click on Superbase and create your online account on Superbase. Superbase is basically where your website stores the data. So you need to store your website data. So in this case, we do have an account linked right away. So create your account and just click connect here, and it will connect your website to Superbase right away. Once you do that, once everything is connected, click on publish. And as you can see now, this is your temporary domain. This is the domain that your affiliate webpage is on. As you can see, it's just a temporary domain on Hostinger. And if you want to add a custom domain to it, all you need to do is just head back to Hostinger, and as you can see, you will have this button that says get domain. Click on it and it will tell you to connect your domain. If you don't have any domain, then go to domains, then click on get new domain, and in here look up the domain that you want to buy it, and then you can actually link it later on. All right, so we have reached the end of our video. Like I said, this was just a quick tutorial on how to create landing pages, affiliate marketing websites using the power of AI, more specifically Hostinger AI. If you found this video helpful, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, everything will be in the description down below, from the links that we have used to my social media if you needed to contact me. And take care of yourselves, guys. See you in the next one, and peace.